How to set only one word name on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a single name on Facebook. As you guys know, after the update, Facebook does not usually allow its user to have only one name because of its security and privacy policies. Also because there have been a lot of spam accounts recently, so they have made it a requirement for you to have a first name and a last name on your Facebook profile. So let's see how you can overcome that problem and set only one name on Facebook. So let me tell you, it is not possible with the usual Facebook app. You will have to download Facebook Lite from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you have done that, you need this VPN as well. It's called Super VPN. You just open this VPN and make sure that you set the location to Japan or Singapore, any of the Asian countries. And once you do that, just tap on connect, and once it's connected, a little key icon can be seen on the status bar up top. So as you can see, now it's connected. Now all you want to do is open your Facebook Lite. Once you are inside your app, just tap on the three lines at the top right to get to your menu section. And here what you want to do is scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Just tap on this drop down to go to your settings, and from settings just head over to your account center. Now you can just tap on your profiles. All of your connected profiles will be shown right here, like your Facebook and Instagram. So you want to change your Facebook's name, tap on Facebook and tap on name. And now here what you can do is just edit your name to remove your last name, or if you have a middle name, you can remove that too. And right now, unfortunately I cannot change my name because you can only change your name in once only 60 days. So it has not been 60 days since I last changed my name. So what you just want to do is remove your middle name and your surname, and on your surname what you want to do is enter two space bars and enter. If your VPN is connected successfully, if you just enter two space bars and enter, then Facebook will automatically take that input and only your first name will be visible on your profile. That's how you can set only the first name of on your profile. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.